All right, video of room 10602, 10th building, 3-bedroom presidential suite. You walk in, there's table, some art. To the right is the kitchen. Pretty nice size. Got fridge or cabinets, all the normal things there. Toaster, blender, Keurig, and that's just coffee blends. All the normal things. We have living room. The daughter trying to get out the door. Bedroom number 1. Queen size bed. Just regular size closet. And a drawer. This room has a window with a view of the pool. There is a bathroom off of that bedroom. Show you what's there. And we have shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. There we go. And washer dryer. Then this is the master. I would say that's king size bed. We have a walk-in shower, same conditioner, conditioner, shampoo, and shower gel. And knobs here, but there is a ledge to get into the shower if you have mobility issues. Separate room for a toilet. And I don't think anything's behind here. No. There's a TV in this bathroom. And looks like a robe. And tub. And sink, mirror. Should be hair dryer here somewhere. Yes. And then a lighted mirror in here. And we're going back through the living room, dining room, kitchen, and off of the kitchen is bedroom number 3. Has 2 beds in it, and these are full-size beds. A little, looks like a reading nook my daughter has claimed. And there, let's see, the clock has some USB ports in it. And just another regular size closet and pool view from this room as well. And just outlets behind the door, outlets beside the door, outlets beside the bed. So lots of outlets. Another bathroom off of this bedroom, someone's in. So I'll show you that later. And this room has a pool table. Gonna give you there's a balcony off of this room. Nice widescreen TV and a pretty nice couch. Go back around and take a look outside. So maybe if I open this, it'll be if I can figure out how to open it. Well, I'll come back to that, but you have 2 chairs out here and really a nice size balcony. And there's a ceiling fan and light out there with pool view again. And that is a 3-bedroom presidential suite at the Fountains Blue Green Vacation Club.